Get on. Please get on the bus.
Please get on the bus.
I will get on the train.
I will get on the train.
Get off. Please get off the bus.
Please get off the bus.
I will get off the train.
I will get off the train.
Put on. I need to put on my shoes.
I need to put on my shoes.
She will put on her coat.
She will put on her coat.
Take off. He will take off his jacket.
He will take off his jacket.
The plane will take off soon.
The plane will take off soon.
Throw up. The baby might throw up.
The baby might throw up.
I feel sick. I might throw up.
I feel sick. I might throw up.
Look after. Can you look after the dog?
Can you look after the dog?
She will look after her brother.
She will look after her brother.
Fill in. Please fill in the form.
Please fill in the form.
I will fill in the blanks.
I will fill in the blanks.
Look for. I am looking for my keys.
I am looking for my keys.
She is looking for her phone.
She is looking for her phone.
Work out. I love to work out daily.
I love to work out daily.
He will work out in the gym.
He will work out in the gym.
Go on. Please go on with your story.
Please go on with your story.
They will go on with the plan.
They will go on with the plan.
Give up. Don't give up on your dreams.
Don't give up on your dreams.
He won't give up the race.
He won't give up the race.
Talk over. Let's talk over the problem.
Let's talk over the problem.
They will talk over the idea.
They will talk over the idea.
Argue with. Don't argue with your parents.
Don't argue with your parents.
He always argues with his brother.
He always argues with his brother.
Pin on. She tried to pin on the blame.
She tried to pin on the blame.
He will pin on the badge.
He will pin on the badge.
Hold back. Don't hold back your tears.
Don't hold back your tears.
She can't hold back her laughter.
She can't hold back her laughter.
Black out. He blacked out after running too much.
He blacked out after running too much.
She might black out in the heat.
She might black out in the heat.
Pass away. Her grandmother passed away.
Her grandmother passed away.
The bird passed away last night.
The bird passed away last night.
Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m.
She will wake up soon.
She will wake up soon.
Get up. Please get up from the bed.
Please get up from the bed.
He needs to get up early.
He needs to get up early.
Grow up. They will grow up fast.
They will grow up fast.
I grew up in a small town.
I grew up in a small town.
Pick up. Can you pick up the book?
Can you pick up the book?
I will pick up my bag.
I will pick up my bag.
Throw away. Please throw away the trash.
Please throw away the trash.
She will throw away the old papers.
She will throw away the old papers.
Run away. Don't run away from your problems.
Don't run away from your problems.
The dog tried to run away.
The dog tried to run away.
Pig out. Let's pig out on pizza.
Let's pig out on pizza.
They love to pig out at parties.
They love to pig out at parties.
Eat out. We usually eat out on weekends.
We usually eat out on weekends.
Let's eat out tonight.
Let's eat out tonight.
Run over. A car ran over the dog.
A car ran over the dog.
Don't run over the toys.
Don't run over the toys.
Break down. The car broke down yesterday.
The car broke down yesterday.
My phone broke down suddenly.
My phone broke down suddenly.
Clean up. Please clean up your room.
Please clean up your room.
I will clean up the kitchen.
I will clean up the kitchen.
Pack up. Let's pack up and leave.
Let's pack up and leave.
They will pack up their bags.
They will pack up their bags.
Tear up. He tore up the letter.
He tore up the letter.
She will tear up the paper.
She will tear up the paper.
Write down. Please write down the address.
Please write down the address.
I will write down the number.
I will write down the number.
Hang on. Please hang on for a moment.
Please hang on for a moment.
She asked me to hang on.
She asked me to hang on.
Hang up. Don't hang up the phone.
Don't hang up the phone.
He will hang up soon.
He will hang up soon.
Put off. Don't put off your homework.
Don't put off your homework.
He will put off the meeting.
He will put off the meeting.
Let go. Please let go of the rope.
Please let go of the rope.
I will let go of the past.
I will let go of the past.
Blow up. The balloon will blow up soon.
The balloon will blow up soon.
Don't blow up the situation.
Don't blow up the situation.
Calm down. Please calm down and listen.
Please calm down and listen.
He needs to calm down quickly.
He needs to calm down quickly.
Let down. Don't let down your team.
Don't let down your team.
She won't let down her friends.
She won't let down her friends.
Break up. They broke up last year.
They broke up last year.
I don't want to break up with her.
I don't want to break up with her.
Chop up. Let's chop up the vegetables.
Let's chop up the vegetables.
He will chop up the wood.
He will chop up the wood.
Hand in. Please hand in your homework.
Please hand in your homework.
She will hand in the report.
She will hand in the report.
Break in. A thief tried to break in.
A thief tried to break in.
Someone broke in last night.
Someone broke in last night.
Act up. The child started to act up.
The child started to act up.
My computer is acting up again.
My computer is acting up again.
Let out. Don't let out the secret.
Don't let out the secret.
He will let out the dog.
He will let out the dog.
Call off. They will call off the event.
They will call off the event.
The game was called off yesterday.
The game was called off yesterday.